Subong mo lang na notice. Hey, hey. Bibing iti amite. Ay naku. Yung nga palayo iya ba. Tararan, tararan. We will go to date.
Kapal. Ano ma'am?
Ma'am.
Sino pa? Kalambiwan.
We're doing date. Hey guys, we're here again. Boss. Hi. Mga old maiden.
Pwede na lang kayo kay mo. Pag type mo ano ng tandang dalaga.
We are all old maiden. Old maiden. Boss. Boss. Hi. Very hot. Good we have here easy aircon. Boss. We are here in our Madam. We are here in our downtown in Bacolod. Hello. She is giving a ticket. It's going to fly. She's going to Manila. So I'm here. I'm here. Hello everybody. Now we are here in Jollibee. Now my cousin is there. This is the way that you can get in the fast food. You need to put line there. Yeah, she's already there. She's there. With a color plastic blue in the counter. I am here waiting for the food. So wait for it. This is a Jollibee Bacolod. We don't have yet robot here. Wait. Hi again. Partner.
Hi.
Hi again. We have here order number, serial number, so we can eat. Why she is very She is coming. Tadaan! Guys! Tadaan! Wow, too much, huh? Wow, too much. So, Sprite.
Habo ko nito.
Guys, let's eat now. The food is here. And she is starting. Tadaan! I was order this one and this one. And look what he ate. What she ate. Tadaan! It's not hungry, ah. She's not feel hungry, ah.
Sabi.
Boss.
Sabi.
Kainin mo yung presidente, kainin mo yung matali.
Tatlo kami ni Manong.
Walang pula kita.
Oh, yung bulag. We are in the front of Jeep. Haha! This is the downtown. Biglang yung kamulot ako ng kamulot. Sabi, bye ginis. Our terminal going to our town. Oops. That's the same more. This is our terminal. Terminal of Bacolod, Nambucal. Here's the terminal. This is the minibus. Did you see Mambukal? Mambukal. Mura siya lang. Local. You want to buy a peanut? Peanut. Wala, may testing agad.
Ano sa balota?
Okay, let's go. Ay. Well. May upon ko.
Ay, ikaw na yun, lapit ako mo.
Sige.
Lapit ako.
Ah.
Ay, joke.
Ito po may upon ko pang.
Kami dalawang.
Tubig. Tubig guys. Bye. Tubig guys.
Ay.
Tubig. 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 Tubig.
Oh, come on, baby. We are now running on the run. So, we are running now and you can see there. Right over there. That's the mountain. Oh, aga kapat. Uy. This is our way going to Marsh. Oops. Diri kami gagiti, oh. Pakanto din? Pakanto sa Lupuestes. Ha? Alam mo. That's the... Excited ka ba? Wow, this is the beauty of Philippines.
Tubig. Ay, nung sa ito na ako din.
Ari na yung paginayangan.
Teka.
Bawah kita ko to. Grabe ko ang drop na. Pero ang cellphone niyo, biskin kaunda, gamo lang na siya. Relax. Panoorin mo mamaya. Thank you for watching. Hello guys, we're going home now. We are going home. We are here in our town and look at me, I'm so tired and sleepy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.